Yeah, I don't understand what he thinks is straight about that.
These guys are masterful fabricators. They play no games when it comes to metal work. They build beyond SEMA level quality cars on a regular basis. And so, you know, I'm at a point where I need to get the car done and done correctly. And so, you know, that's why we're here. The rear end looks like it's pretty much centered, but you know, it's adjustable. And so,
what are you gonna do there?
just weld this in and then put brackets on the diff tubes. Okay, we're here at West Kent Designs to visit Wesley and the team. We're going to check out the progress on the Fox body. They had a lot of cleanup work to do in order to get the mini tubs installed correctly. My roll cage is here. They're going to be finishing up all the major fabrication to get this thing ready for big power. So here we are. Here it is. Okay, that's copper right there. So basically you can see all the old tubs are out. We've got a coilover kit that's going to go in.
What do you think?
Man, I mean, I'm dealing with the perfectionist here.
That's it right there, pretty much. I mean, they gotta fuck with the backside a little bit, but...
Oh, yeah.
Got the main hoop already tacked in. We got the harness bar. So this one's already fitted. I already notched that. And then after providing this part, I'm gonna put a 6x6 inch plate, 1/8 inch plate, right here. Before I put that plate in, I gotta cover up that hole. Just cut out the 18 gauge, 20 gauge sheet, cover it, and then I'll do the same thing. Find out where it's gonna be welded, flatten it, notch this side, and then cut this length too. So this was a little long, so I had to cut like 1.5 inches. This was too tall. This is doable. It's almost flat. Fix that right there. 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 I got that hole fixed on the floor on the passenger side, so this is gonna go right next to the rocker. This one's gonna line up right on this tube. Now I'm gonna put the plate on.
What's the goal for today?
We're starting with this, tacking that in, and I'll either do the door diagonals or I'll make a bar that will attach from the 8-pillar bars to the strut housing in front.
All right, so right now Ernesto is making a plate for the front strut tower to get tied into the cage. So basically he's gonna come through the firewall right here, and he's making a plate to reinforce this right here.
reason why there's a bend is because the seat where the shoulder is, it kind of interferes with it. So just make like a little 10-degree bend for clearance.
Where are those going?
Huh?
Where do those go?
Oh, this is going to the torque box right here.
What's going on?
Just getting fitted, man.
Getting fitted like a...
Caged in like an animal, bro.
How's it fit? Good?
It's looking really good. See, if that's all the hand fit and finish that needs to happen, you got a hand fit, finish mount. So it goes to show these ready to go bolt-in welded kits require a lot of hand finishing to make them perfect. Yeah, some people just buzz them together and oh man, they just don't fit as well as putting the old Ernesto touch to it, you know? Got to do it. Custom is always better. But these are wonderful cages by Chris Alston. They do a really good job, but you know,
This car's a special
you gotta
occasion.
put you gotta put your touch to it. You gotta put your hand, your touch, your special signature on it, as every good fabricator does. So, great job.
Yeah.